Proces Map by Miriam Gutierrez Galindo, Nargelio Gómez, Hilario Rodríguez Méndez. What is a process map? The flow chart or diagram of activities is a graphical representation of the algorithm or process. It is used in disciplines such as programming, economics, industrial process, and cognitive psychology. This diagram uses symbols with meaning that represented the step of the algorithm and represent the flow of executing by arrows connecting the start point and the end of the process. A flowchart always has a single starting point and the one end point. Instead of developing a functional deployment process map. Step 1. Define the scope of the process to describe. This will also set the start and end of the diagram. Often the beginning is the output of the previous process and the input end of the next process. Step 2. Observe the process and go execute each step. Step 3. Identify and list the main activities that are included in the process to describe and their chronological order. Step 4. Using common symbols of the process map. Build the process map for each process step and connect with approach arrows. Step 5. Validate the process map by comparing with the actual process. Step 6. Determine next step. Common symbols a process map. Oval. The oval is used to show the start and end points, identifies the boundaries of the process. Rectangle. The rectangle serves to represent each activity or steps within the process. Diamond. When using the diamond, we indicate it at the point where there is an inspection and for which we must make a decision. Usually respond to a question with a yes or no. Arrow. The arrow indicates the path or direction of flow within the process. Circle. The circle is represented with an input or output in the process. We have more details.
The flowchart types are vertical format. In it, the flow and sequence of operation goes from top to bottom. It's an ordered list of the operation of a process with all the information deemed necessary by purpose. Horizontal format. In it, the flow of sequence of operations goes from left to right. According to regulation, the flow estimate is from left to right and from top to bottom, with optional use of arrows when the direction is reversed from right to left or from bottom to top. It's mandatory to use the arrow. Flowchart advantages are: facilitates understanding of the process to show it's a drawing. The human brain easily recognizes the drawings. A good flowchart replaces several pages of text to identify problems and opportunities for process improvement. Steps are identified the flows of processes, conflicts of authority, responsibilities, bottlenecks, and decision points. They show the customer-supplier interfaces and transactions that they perform, providing employees with the same analysis. They are an excellent tool for training new employers and those who develop the task when making process improvement.